Welcome back to Dijah Decor, your cozy corner for timeless vintage inspiration. Today we're exploring kitchen decorating ideas that instantly upgrade your cooking space with style and charm. If you love classic details, nostalgic touches, and warm, inviting spaces, you're in the right place. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments. Tell us what vintage style you adore most. Let's transform your kitchen into a charming masterpiece. Start by embracing a soft vintage color palette. Think creamy whites, muted sage greens, dusty blues, and warm beige tones that create a calm and welcoming atmosphere. These hues instantly make your kitchen feel brighter yet full of character, especially when paired with natural light. A fresh coat of paint in a timeless shade can completely redefine the mood of your cooking space. Upgrade your cabinets with classic hardware. Swapping modern handles for antique brass pulls, ceramic knobs, or glass handles can dramatically shift the look of your kitchen. These small details add authenticity and elegance without requiring a full renovation. It's a simple change, but one that delivers beautiful vintage charm. Open shelving is another stylish way to elevate your kitchen. Replace a few upper cabinet doors with open wooden shelves to display vintage plates, teacups, and glass jars. This not only creates visual interest but also adds personality and warmth. Curating your everyday items as decor instantly blends function with style. Incorporate statement lighting with a nostalgic feel. Consider pendant lights with brass finishes, milk glass shades, or lantern-inspired fixtures. Lighting plays a major role in defining ambience, and a vintage-style fixture can become a stunning focal point. Soft, warm lighting enhances the cozy and charming vibe of the space. Add texture through textiles. Floral curtains, lace trims, embroidered table runners, or gingham seat cushions can introduce softness and romance. These fabrics bring warmth and comfort while highlighting the vintage theme. Even small textile updates can make your kitchen feel thoughtfully styled and inviting. Introduce decorative storage solutions. Woven baskets, enamel containers, labeled glass jars, and wooden crates provide both organization and aesthetic appeal. Instead of hiding everything away, choose beautiful storage that complements your decor. Practical items can become part of your kitchen's visual story. Don't overlook the walls. Hang vintage-inspired artwork, botanical prints, antique clocks, or framed recipe cards. A gallery-style arrangement can add depth and charm to blank spaces. Wall decor helps your kitchen feel curated and personal rather than purely functional. Bring nature indoors with fresh or dried flowers. A simple bouquet in a ceramic pitcher or a bundle of dried lavender on the counter adds life and softness. Natural elements balance hard surfaces like tile and metal, creating a harmonious and welcoming environment. Consider adding a charming focal piece, such as a freestanding vintage-style cabinet, a distressed wooden island, or a retro-inspired refrigerator. One standout item can anchor the entire design and set the tone for the room. This statement piece gives your kitchen character and timeless appeal. Layer in subtle decorative accents. Think copper cookware displayed on hooks, patterned ceramic bowls, old-fashioned scales, or a classic tea kettle. These details may seem small, but together they create a cohesive vintage atmosphere. It's all about layering thoughtfully to achieve depth and charm. In conclusion, upgrading your kitchen with style and charm doesn't require a complete overhaul, just intentional details, warm colors, and carefully chosen vintage elements. By blending functionality with timeless decor, you can create a cooking space that feels both beautiful and inviting. If you enjoyed these ideas, please subscribe to Dijah Decor, like this video, and share your favorite tip in the comments below. Let's continue creating elegant vintage spaces together.